As we experience rapid growth and transition from a more decentralized startup culture to a centralized corporate structure, we need to maintain a steadfast focus on employee growth. Studies done by the research on nascent innovative entrepreneurship show that one of the key points we need to address is the mentorship of our employees and the collaboration opportunities that will arise due to us transitioning to a more intricate organization. My policy focuses on developing a multidisciplinary focus through the utilization of workshops facilitated by external experts. This will be combined with one on one employee manager meetings to gain feedback on the successes and issues with the program. In my previous position, we did something similar where we would run a quarterly exercise that would revolve around solving a problem that required input from multiple departments. This enabled our employees to better understand their roles in solving a multidisciplinary problem. And it also provided an opportunity for them to network in between the departments and this strengthen relationships between the departments throughout the company. The Growth Institute suggests that we utilize external partners to facilitate these workshops, since these external partners can give us a fresh perspective on how our employees operate in these environments, and they can give us specific positive and negative feedback on how they performed. It's important that we follow up these workshops with these one-on-one meetings so that the employees feel as if they are continually engaged in the process and that they are taking responsibility for their own growth. In my research for this project, I wanted to make a focus specifically on our hybrid environment. And so UberMind's journal I was reading suggested that because we're in a hybrid environment, one of the most important things for us to do is leverage our communication. A thing that we did at my last company, which helped communicate between all the departments, was create a shared network drive. This network drive was a place where files for all the different departments would be highly organized and deposited. These files were easily accessible by everybody from all the departments. And this allowed people from other departments to stay up to date on a range of issues that people with the other departments were dealing with in terms of the tasks that they were taking on. I think this is a good idea. And will help us more centralize our communication between departments, especially since we've had such a decentralized past. We also need to specifically stress the importance of the digital record and email etiquette, especially. These points will allow everyone, whether on-site or off-site, to communicate effectively. And since currently only about 40% of our employees have said that they have a consistent working relationship with other members of the department, our external training should focus on utilizing this shared network drive and digital communication so that we can get our employees more used to working in a centralized structure. So to summarize, we centralize our resources, we put our employees through training exercises, and then we continually follow up with our employees on their feedback about these training exercises. And I believe that this will tackle the problem that the Growth Institute has identified as a constant rate of turnover between companies in our similar position. If you have any questions or would like to discuss, please let me know. Thank you.